Hey everybody, today we're going to do a placard. This is the laser cut piece. I'm going to share the file for this. This is all one piece. Let's see, it's one of the biggest things that I've cut and designed so far, so wanted to share it, wanted to sew this together and kind of show you what I've done and then share the file out. There's going to be a lot of Velcro pieces, so Velcro. The inside is going to get large panel of Velcro, obviously on the opposite side for this front piece, and then the inside back part there gonna have Velcro, just kind of a thinner line there, and then there's going to be a large Velcro hook on the back so you can attach it to other things, and also so these side flaps will close, and then also a couple strips of 4-inch webbing, or sorry, 1-inch 4-inch long with some buckles. These ones are just 3-inch, just for the bottom, like kind of back strap. So let's get sewing, just kind of show you how this all comes together. All right, so this is the inside. These are the loop Velcro on these flaps, so that when this is all, finished up, this back panel is going to have the hook, and these are going to fold over and seal up on that. So that's the purpose of those. That's where they go. This is the inside. We're going to do the rest of the inside pieces, at least on this front. So this is the front. So we're gonna do the inside piece for the front, which is the larger portion. The larger piece is gonna go just like this. And this is in here so that you can put in like an elastic, mag retention system, or, put in different pouches or attachments. The thing about this though is that with the MOLLE slots, we're gonna have to just do lines down each row, and a little bit around the edges as possible, but that's how we're gonna do this. Okay, this is how that ended up. I think next one I do probably cut this Velcro a little bit wider, maybe just make it go all the way out, and then maybe a little bit taller so I'm not just getting right up on the edge there. But I was running low on this stuff, like I was basically out, so I had to make do with what I had. But just future note, or if you're going to make one of these, cut this a little bit bigger. Let's see, I will include measurements in the description, but this is about 4 1/4 inch tall, so maybe just do 4 1/2 or 4 3/4, and then it's 8 1/2, sorry, 8 1/2 long, a little bit under that, so maybe do like 9 and you'll get almost the whole panel in here. Obviously this is for attaching things on the inside, but it also gives it, you know, some rigidity, because this is just 1000D, one, you know, single layer. So all of these Velcro, you know, panels and patches kind of give it a little bit of, you know, rigidity. So we're gonna go ahead and do the last of the, you know, inside Velcro. We're gonna stitch this on first because the rest of the back panel is going to be the belts, the buckles, the webbing, and then the large patch. But if we sew this on the inside first and then do all the rest of that, you won't see, you know, any of the stitching from that. So let's get that sewed on. Okay, so we got the buckles up top. These are the snap portion of them. Gonna sew these in here before we put on the back panel Velcro, because that is gonna kind of cover them just a little bit, but I wanna make sure we stitch that in really good first. So let's do that. Okay, time for the back panel. Like I said, it's going to kind of go over the webbing here, so that's kind of why we put those buckles in first. We're going to do all the way around. We'll do an X on this. I know we haven't been doing full X's on everything else, but these small little sections I think will be okay. Okay, getting there towards the end. The last thing we need to do is get the buckles, the side strap buckles, sewn right up here on each side. So this flap here, because this flap goes around the back, can't do it on the back side, can't do it on the flap, needs to go right there where there's still, you know, open space behind there. You can always move the back panel a little bit if needed to, but let's do that. Okay, here's how those buckles turned out. Not bad. I'm using these tan ones just because it's what I had lying around. I actually don't hate it, so I think I'm just gonna rock it. That's everything that I was planning on sewing. I thought of something while doing this. This side here, you could sew some hook on so that when you close this, like that, there's hook here as well, so this whole back panel becomes, you know, hook, so you can attach it to something else like your PC or whatever else you're attaching this to. I kind of intended to just run this as like a placard only, so let's get it all decked out real quick and see how it looks. So the whole reasoning for having the Velcro on the inside is to put something like this, just an elastic like mag holder, so you know, slide the mags in there. I just had one of these lying around. I will have to do a video about making these. They're not typically, or they're not very hard to make, so I'll definitely make a video about them. I just don't have any elastic to make one. I'll show you on camera right now, but yeah, let's get it wrapped up and see what's up. All right, here it is closed up. Obviously just fold it up, Velcro the side panels. We've got the buckles, side buckles, back, you know, back buckle. I'm gonna go get my H harness from my Mayflower and we'll just kind of, you know, buckle this up, see how it turned out. But I think it looks pretty sick. You've got these holes here for, you know, elastic retention or tying things, whatever. You've got the MOLLE slots. You can add more you know, to this, so I don't know, maybe I'll mess around with it a little bit and see, you know, what else we can attach on here and make it look pretty dope. But I think it turned out pretty good for being as, you know, kind of low effort as it may be. It's kind of one of my first bigger projects like this. All right, here it is with a couple things slapped on it. You know, not stuff I would probably run right on the front of something like this, but just wanted to, you know, prove the MOLLE slots work. Took a malice clip just fine, took a, you know, thicker, you know, old school webbing style attachment strap just fine. Put a wing on the bottom because it has all that Velcro on the back, so pretty modular, pretty versatile. Feel like it'll hold up pretty good. I do want to go run around, test it out, do a little bit of LARPing, so we'll do that. Yeah, let me know if you have any questions. Hope you enjoy the file, and hope you have fun making some cool stuff.